Hello guys, welcome back to another brand new video. So today in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix network error problem on Poko game app. So before starting the videos, I would like to request you please to hit that subscribe button and press the bell icon. So without wasting much more time, let's get started. So guys, here if we go to this option here or here, you can see here it's not working. So if you go here and if you refresh no friends online, or if you go here again here, so here you can see this type of interface is popping out. So let me just go to the game once again, and then let me just show you. If you go to this one game and then if you try to click network error, please retry. So to fix this problem, what you need to do here is it's only some um, 2 to 3 tricks that you have to apply. So first of all, what you need to do here, you have to go to settings on your phone, and then now you have to go to app management or install apps or app manager. So now here you have to click on the app list application. It's depend on the other phone. There will be like install apps or something like that related to apps. Now here you have to search for Poko. So here this is the application. So what you need to do here, you have to click on force stop button, and then you have to stop the force. Now the second thing what you have to do, here you have to click on storage usage, and then you have to click on clear data. So after clicking to this clear data, press on OK and then catchy also. Now after doing this, you have to go back to Poko and then log in with your Facebook, and then this might work out. But I heard a news that it's exactly not banned, but some bug error is going on with this application. So you have to, if it is not working, then you have to wait for some time. It will automatically revoke it. They will make the bug. So it is an internal bug of this application, so no need to worry, it will come back soon. So guys, if it is not working, then you have to uninstall the application and reinstall it, and then you can try it out. This might help for you, so no need to worry guys. This application Poko will be coming back soon. So thanks for watching.